Hello kids, good afternoon. Welcome back in our ENV class. And today we will enjoy new chapter. So chapter number 9, rocks and minerals. So let's start. Our planet Earth is almost entirely made up of rocks. It means Earth is made of rocks like hills. Do you know what is hills? You can say in this picture, this is hills, an area of land that is higher than the surrounding are called a hill. And then mountain, you can see in this picture, this is mountain, a raised part of land much higher than a hill is called a mountain. Now next is valleys. Do you know about valleys? You can see in this picture, this is valleys. This water fall down. This is valleys. The V-shaped lowland between hills or mountains, often with a river flowing through it, is called a valleys. Types of rocks. So, do you know about rocks? Yes, you all know about rocks because you can see these all rocks on your surrounding. But rocks are different types like grey color, black color, white color and red color. You can see in this picture there are three types of rocks. See, first is soft rock, second is shiny rock and third one is hard rock. Now we see example of soft rock, shiny rock and hard rock. Now first we see example of hard rock. See, first is granite. Some rocks are hard. It means granite is very hard rock. It is used to make kitchen counters. You can see in this picture, these all kitchen counters made from granite. Now next is marble. Marble is also hard rock. It is used for flooring in our houses. And we use for making statues, furnitures and buildings. Taj Mahal in Agra is made up of white marble. Taj Mahal is also made up of white marble. Sandstone. Do you know about sandstone? Yes, because you can see this sandstone in desert and you can see in your surrounding when construction work is going. Sandstone is also hard rock, but it is not as hard as granite or marble. The Red Fort in Delhi is made up of red sandstone. Rocks are hard, but if a rock tightly pressed and heated for a few million years, it can turn in many parts. The example is the sandstone become quartzite and the shale becomes slate. Slate is also soft grey rock and the limestone become marble. Do you know chalk and slate are also soft rock? Chalk is a soft rock but it is used by a teacher to write on board. Next is minerals. Do you know about minerals? Yes, because many things that we use every day are made of minerals. Okay, so let's learn more about minerals. Minerals are not easily available. So we need to extract them from the rocks before we can use them. We use minerals in our daily lives. Okay, minerals comes in different colors, shapes and sizes also. Now I will show you example of minerals. Now first is talc. Do you know about talc? Yes, talc is softest minerals. You all aware of this talcum powder. This talcum powder comes from the talc only. Is silica. You can see in this first picture. From this silica sand is used to make mirrors and glasses. And these glasses and mirror we use every day in our life, right? Third one is graphite. You all aware of this graphite because we all use this lead pencil in our regular life. From this graphite we make lead. It means graphite is used as the lead of a pencil. And then diamond. Diamond is the hardest minerals. It means diamond is hard minerals. From this diamond, it means gemstones, we can make jewelries. Ruby, emerald and garnet are example of gemstones. Now next is quartz. Quartz is used in watch. Now next is china clay. You all know about this china clay. You can see in this picture, this is china clay. From this china clay we can make flower pot, bows. You can see in this picture, these all things we can make from china clay and we used in our daily life also. So okay kids, now time to say bye bye. We will meet again in our next chapter.